Hi, I'm Amy Archer, and in today's video we're going to be looking at your credit report and what you can do to repair your credit report once your IVA has finished. Today I'm joined by Kelly Osadare from PJG Recovery. Kelly has over 7 years' experience in dealing with consumer debt. She regularly advises clients on what they can do to repair their credit report, giving them many hints and tips. Your credit report is important to you. It's what many lenders look at to check your credit status. Some employers and landlords may also look at your credit report, but they do need your permission to do so. Now today we're going to be discussing some of the questions that many of our clients ask us on a regular basis. Hi Kelly, thanks for joining us today.
That's my pleasure.
So, why do I need to check my credit report once my IVA is finished?
It's important to check your credit report once your IVA is finished to make sure that all the information that is being reported against your name is accurate and correct. So any defaults that have been registered against you should be dated at around the time the IVA was approved and no later. And once the IVA is completed, it will be marked as completed on your credit file.
So, how do I get a copy of my report?
You can get a copy of your credit report from one of the three main credit reference agencies in the UK. They are Credit, Equifax and Experian. You can obtain a copy of these reports which will cost you £2, and you can apply by post to obtain that report. It is usually recommended that you obtain one report from each of the credit reference agencies to make sure that the information is the same across the different agencies. You can also subscribe online. You can go to creditexpert.co.uk. That is a subscription site, but you get the first 30 days free. So you can sign up, but just make sure that you cancel within 30 days so you don't get charged that $14.99 a month. And you can also get a free copy of the credit report from noodle.co.uk.
What do I do if my IVA is still listed as active on my report?
When you have completed your IVA, you will be issued with a certificate of completion. That certificate of completion will be sent to the insolvency service by your IP, and it will be that results in the public information being updated. That can take up to 3 months after you've completed your IVA and been issued with your completion certificate. If your IVA is still showing as active after the 3 months, you can contact your insolvency practitioner and request that they send another copy to the insolvency service, or you can send a copy of your completion certificate to the insolvency service yourself, and that should result in the information being updated on the insolvency service records and then feeding across into the credit reports to show that your IVA has now completed.
So what can I do if my creditors continue to default my account?
When you credit check yourself, you can find that creditors continue to default your account following completion of your IVA. That should not be happening. Creditors should no longer be defaulting your accounts. So you will need to use your completion certificate, which you received on completion of your IVA, and write to the creditors that are defaulting you to request that they accurately update the information that they are holding against you. And you can write to them using the template letter which you will find on our website and enclose your completion certificate.
So, my credit score is relatively low. Is there anything I can do to improve it?
Yes, there are things that you can do to improve your credit rating following completion of your IVA. The first thing is to regularly credit check yourself to ensure that the information that is being held against you is accurate and it is correct, and that it's being reported correctly from the particular creditors that are entered into your IVA. Also making sure that the IVA is marked as completed. The IVA will fall off your credit file automatically after 6 years from the date that you started the IVA. Once those things have been done, you can start to build up your credit rating, and you can have a current account, mobile phone contract. Something else that does help build the credit rating is to take out a credit card with a small credit limit and to pay that balance off each month. That will significantly increase your credit rating. I just want to say that one thing people often make the mistake is thinking that payday loans will increase your credit rating even if you pay them off. One thing that people should never do is go to payday loans to try and improve their credit rating, because just the fact that you have a payday loan can imply to a lot of lenders that you are struggling financially. So the main things, I think, are to get the current account, the mobile phone contract, and a small credit card with a small balance, and ensure that you're on the electoral roll.
Thank you, Kelly. So, after watching today's video, you should have a better understanding of what you can do to repair your credit report. We also have a useful guide on our website which will recap some of the issues that we've discussed today. If you would like to talk to an advisor or just need some further advice, then please call the number on your screen now. Or, if you'd like us to call you, then please visit the website on your screen now. Thank you for joining us today, Kelly.
Thank you, Amy.
And thank you for watching.